Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe. Today we're going to make a Paneer Shawarma. Now this is a very healthy, easy to make recipe and very filling too. The ingredients list for the same is given below. I've also made the pickled vegetables in this recipe and I've substituted mayonnaise with curds so it's much more healthier. For more such recipes and dinner ideas and lunch ideas, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell. Let's jump right in. Let's begin with the paneer marination. For that, in a bowl, I've taken some thick curd, into which I'm going to add some spices and powders. So I've got in here some ginger garlic paste, some crushed coriander and cumin seeds, salt to taste, Kashmiri red chilli powder, and a little bit of Maida. This is to just coat the paneer nicely. So we'll add all of these ingredients into the curd. Mix it and make a marination. So everything's mixed and the marination is ready. Now I'm going to add the paneer block into this. I'm adding the whole block like this. You can cut it into two pieces also and then marinate. It's easier to marinate the paneer in this way. So make sure it coats it from all sides. Since we've added the maida, it will stick to the paneer nicely. It's coated. Now we'll set it aside for 10-15 minutes to marinate. Now while the paneer is marinating, let's pickle the veggies. For this, I've got some water boiling up in a pot on medium high. Into that, I'm going to add some bay leaf, garlic and peppercorns. Along with it, we'll add in some salt and sugar and a little bit of vinegar. Now we'll boil this and reduce it for say 1 to 2 minutes and then switch off the flame. So it's been boiling for a few minutes now. I've just switched off the gas and I'm going to add the slit green chillies at this stage. We'll let this cool down a little bit. Meanwhile, I've already cut juliennes of cucumber, onion, beetroot and carrot and taken it in a pickling jar. We'll pour the brine water which we have prepared into the veggies and make sure it covers it nicely. Now we'll just cover this and let it sit for a half an hour or so. You can keep it in the refrigerator if you're doing it in advance. So the pickled vegetables are ready. Next, we'll make a spread for the shawarma. So since we're not using mayonnaise, I'm going to make a spread out of curd here. So I've got some curd in here along with some finely chopped cucumber, mint leaves, some minced garlic and salt and pepper. You can add lime juice also if you feel like. So let's add all the ingredients into the curd and mix everything together. So mix everything nicely and our simple spread is ready to be used. So I'm going to leave it in the refrigerator and we'll take it out when we are ready to assemble the shawarma. So I've heated some oil in a pan on medium high. Into this we'll add the paneer piece and we'll cook it through until it's nice and brown. So it's cooked from one side, we're going to flip and cook it from the other side as well. And Then once the masala loses its raw smell and the paneer is nicely cooked, you can switch off the flame and remove it from fire. Now cool the paneer for some time. Now I'm going to cut it into pieces. You can cut it into cubes or juliennes, however you want it. I'm cutting it lengthwise here. And the fried paneer is ready to be used. So now all our ingredients are ready. Let's assemble the shawarma. So you can use a normal chapati, paratha or a tortilla for this. I'm using ready-made tortilla for this recipe. I'm going to add some lettuce which I've shredded on top of the tortilla. Then we'll add in the pickled vegetables. You can add how much ever you want in your shawarma. So that's added. Now we'll top it with the paneer pieces. And then add some spread on top. Now we just wrap it up like this. Bring the sides together. And our paneer shawarma is ready to be served. You can do this on pita bread as well, like the usual shawarma is made, or on rumali roll. So you can try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll be back with a new recipe next time. Until then, bye bye.